Fasting isn't just skipping meals or following extreme diets. It's simply choosing to go without food for a set period. In fact, you already fast every night between dinner and breakfast, hence the word break fast. Today's interest in fasting isn't about deprivation, but about extending that natural pause to unlock health benefits. Modern life keeps us eating all day, but our ancestors thrived through cycles of feast and famine. Our bodies evolved to use these breaks for essential maintenance and repair. Science now shows that fasting triggers powerful processes at the cellular level, improving metabolism, brain function, and even longevity. It's not about suffering, but about timing, creating a deliberate pause to let your body reset. Methods range from eating within an 8-hour window to fasting for a full day once or twice a week. The goal: work with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. By understanding fasting as a tool, you can move beyond the myth that constant eating is necessary for health. Fasting is a simple, natural way to support your well-being. When you fast, your body shifts from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy, a process called ketosis. This switch not only helps with weight management but also triggers autophagy, your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells. Think of it as a deep cellular tune-up, making your body more efficient and resilient. Fasting also improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage blood sugar and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Lower, stable insulin levels benefit your health far beyond just weight loss. Your brain benefits too. Ketones provide clean fuel, and fasting boosts BDNF, a protein that supports brain health and sharpens focus. Many people report feeling clearer and more energetic during a fast. Scientific studies suggest fasting may protect against cognitive decline as we age. In short, fasting is more than just burning fat. It's a reset for your body and mind. The benefits reach deep into your cells, hormones, and even your brain. Fasting is a powerful way to support long-term health. It's a simple practice with profound effects. A common myth is that fasting puts you in starvation mode, slowing your metabolism. In reality, short-term fasting can actually boost your metabolic rate thanks to hormones like norepinephrine. True starvation only happens after many days without food, not from a planned fast. Some worry fasting is dangerous or will make you weak, but most healthy adults adapt quickly. Staying hydrated is key. Water, black coffee, and tea are all good choices. Fasting doesn't mean losing muscle. Research shows your body burns fat, not muscle, during short fasts. In fact, fasting can increase growth hormone, helping preserve muscle. Fasting isn't just for weight loss. It supports metabolic health, cellular repair, and brain function. It's a holistic wellness strategy, not just a diet. If you're new to fasting, start simple. Try time-restricted eating, like the 16-8 method. Finish dinner by 8 p.m. and eat again at noon. You'll fast mostly while you sleep. Hydration is crucial. Drink water, black coffee, or herbal tea to stay energized and curb hunger. Avoid drinks with calories or sweeteners, as they can disrupt your fast. When breaking your fast, choose a balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think grilled chicken, salad, and veggies. Don't overeat. Your digestive system needs a gentle restart. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, stop and try again later. Fasting should feel empowering, not punishing. Consult your doctor before starting, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. Safety and self-awareness are your best guides. Fasting is about finding what works for you. Fasting isn't a magic fix, but it's a powerful tool for better health. By giving your body regular breaks from eating, you support repair, balance hormones, and sharpen your mind. The key is consistency, not perfection. Find a fasting pattern that fits your life. Fasting helps you tune into real hunger and build a healthier relationship with food. The benefits go far beyond weight loss, touching every aspect of your well-being. Start small, stay hydrated, and notice how you feel. You might discover a new level of energy and vitality. Give your body the break it deserves. Your health journey starts here.